with great pleasure and enthusiasm that I stand before you today to celebrate the opening of the IELTS Computer-Based Exam Center here in Ilocos Norte. This is a significant milestone for our organization and a testament to our commitment to providing the highest quality language assessment services. The International English Language Testing System, or IELTS, has long been recognized as the gold standard for evaluating English language proficiency. It has opened doors for opportunities and thousands of Ilocanos from Ilocos Norte and other neighboring provinces such as in Abra, Ilocos Sur, Apayao, and Cagayan Valley, enabling them to study, work, and live in English-speaking countries. Today, we take a step forward in enhancing this global recognized test by introducing the computer-based format here in Laoag. Okay. Embracing this technology-driven approach represents our dedication to staying at the forefront of innovation and ensuring that our test takers have the best possible experience. The computer-based format offers several advantages, including greater flexibility, faster results, and a more user-friendly interface. It allows test takers to showcase their language skills in a modern and efficient manner, adapting to their comfort and convenience. As we inaugurate this testing center, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to all those who have contributed to this endeavor. Our dedicated staff members, technical experts, IDP Philippines, and other partners who have worked hand in hand to make this vision our reality. I would also like to express my appreciation to the IELTS community and the candidates who have placed their trust on us throughout the years. Your feedback and support have been invaluable, guiding us in our pursuit of excellence. To the aspiring test takers who will walk through our doors, I assure you that we are committed to providing an environment conducive to success. We understand the significance of this exam in shaping your future, and we are here to support you every step of the way. Our experienced team will be available to answer your questions, offer guidance, and ensure that you have a seamless testing experience. With the introduction of the computer-based format, we aim to empower more individuals to achieve their dreams, whether they are going to study abroad, pursuing a career, or broadening their horizons. I am confident that this new chapter in our journey will further strengthen our mission of fostering global communication and understanding. Once again, I extend my warmest welcome to all of you on this momentous occasion. Thank you for joining us in celebrating the opening of the IELTS Computer-Based Exam Center here in Ilocos Norte. Together, let us embark on this exciting journey of transforming lives through language proficiency. Thank you very much.